We came here because we want to study and do good for our exam. I'm so glad that they have this for us. I'm Kirsten.
I'm Bianca. We're from cohort 36.
We're twins. No.
We're doing like a pharmacology tutoring. So basically we're just going over like antihypertensive drugs and antibiotics drugs since we're doing sepsis right now in critical care. So beta blockers will block here and it will not produce renin for your kidney to vasoconstrict or like retain sodium.
I'm learning a lot from them. Before you give a diuretic, you check potassium.
Yes.
Well, we get to pick when we come. We just do it voluntarily, and then we sign up whenever the tutor's available. That's our tutor.
He's really good.
Cameron and Katrina.
Yeah, they're really good.
Anyone is welcome. People who are actually taking the TEAS this quarter, they come to review and study math, science, English, and reading.
Cut. Cut.